Speaker, sir, the answer to the question 193. A, yes, PDS rise for both BPL and AAY families is being issued on a monthly basis. And B, sir, as per the PDS calendar, the distribution of rice commences from the 16th, that is the third week of every month, and is completed by the 30th of the same month.
Your supplementary question, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. So I would like to know from the Honorable Minister in charge the quantity of allocated rice per beneficiary household.
So the quantity of rice per beneficiaries for the beneficiary, the quantity of rice for the beneficiary, the AAY is 35 kg per card, and for PHH is 35 kg per member of the family.
I would like to thank the Honorable Minister in charge for his reply. And to you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to put another supplementary question. May I know from the Minister in charge, the process of identifying the BPL and AAY families?
Speaker, sir, if the Honorable Member can repeat the question, please.
I was asking about the process of identifying the BPL and AAY families.
Speaker, sir, as of now, the state of Meghalaya is implementing the central NFSA, that is the National Food Security Act of 2013. And as per this act, the state present beneficiary structure follow from the socio-economic and caste census of 2011, which remain the officially approved database for identification under the National Food Security. The state government is bound by this framework and does not have the authority to unilaterally alter or the coverage beyond what is supported by the data recognized by the government of India.
Mr. Speaker, sir, through you, may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge whether the registration of the said families are being done on yearly basis?
So, as per the guideline, the register of the beneficiaries is done as per the census, decennial census. So as of now, we are still following the 2011 census, and this is the valid data that we are having now. Till the new census come into place, we will have to follow the 2011 census only.
So in the course of the reply, Mr. Speaker, sir, it has come to know that it was last done in 2011. So when is the next census coming up for the registration of and identification of the BPL and AAY families?
Speaker, sir, the upcoming national census, the issuance of the cassette notification, white letter number SUP 32/2016/427, dated 7 August 2025, and the Government of India notification SO 2681E, dated 16 June 2025, formally set the motion for the next decennial census in 2027. And